Okay, so that's how it's gonna be framed. What's up, guys? We out here. Okay, no, I'm not doing that. No, for real though. What's up, guys? We out here. We chilling. We about to head out of town. Just go look at a car. If you see the car in the thumbnail, that means we got the car. If not, then you're just coming along for the ride. So. That's a slow one. Need more power!
Yeah, honestly, we need boost. Yo, 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 yo. Easy.
Need more power! But
I feel like we're focusing pretty good.
yeah, pretty hard, dude. Focusing.
We made it to St. Augustine. This ride was awful.
Saturdays for the boys.
Saturdays for the boys. What are your thoughts, Dustin?
My thoughts are that this 240 is going to be mint. We're going to get it. We're going to buy it. We're going to drive it home.
Yeah.
And then we're going to drift it.
Alright, well,
I'll send it.
see you
Saturday
scrub
boys.
soon.
So much light. Alright, so the guy just called us. We're about to go look at it. So wish us luck. See you in a minute.
So, spoiler alert, we got the car.
Well, we did it, boys. It's the beginning. Hold up, you can't even see the car. S14. New beginnings.
I'm gonna take this from him for a minute. Alright, so we got here 95 Zenki front, paint's atrocious, 100% OEM, no mods, manual, clean dash, 140,000 on the clock, full interior, no gutting. Break time again, back at it.
Honestly, dude, I'm happy with it. Once this is like all said and done, and once I like put a bunch of money into this, like I know it's gonna be cool for sure. So
For sure.
and once I start sliding, like of course,
Ain't
that's
no
why
stopping
I
it.
bought this. Exactly. I'm just cruising in my S14 with my FRS behind me. Like, not many people can say that. It's dope. Dylan, he's the homie. I trust him to drive my baby. And this is gonna be my winter beater, because you know it snows here all the time in Florida. Not really. This is gonna be in my drift car, so I'm gonna be. Watch out, because if you see a dark red S14 slide in, like, obviously it's not me, because like I would never be street drifting, you know. But if you do see it, it's probably my car, and probably some dude like stole it and he's drifting it while I'm like, you know, just chilling at home in my FRS. So So, I've been driving this thing for a while now, and I still can't get over how cold this AC is. It's beautiful. I feel like a grandpa though. I feel like this is the perfect like sleeper / grandpa like 90s car. I feel like I need to be in like a fedora and like a brown suit right now and just like, you know, go swing dancing or something. I don't even know. There's another Nissan. See, I look like a Sentra, dude. No one even knows that I'm like a drift car right now. The Zenki is just such an innocent looking car that you know, basically a Nissan Sentra, like rear-wheel drive, and really cool. I mean, you really can't go wrong with this car. And I'm not biased. Like, I mean, I just got one, and obviously the AC is perfect. And there's no LSD yet, but once I'm sliding this thing, like, you guys are gonna be like, oh, that's dope. Like, I wish I had one of those. Like, that's dope. It is what it is. Those cars are fresh.
Go.
Alright, so plans for this so far, as I've thought about it. Coils first, obviously, need more low. I've always wanted a hydro e-brake. I know I like essentially don't need it, but like I've always wanted like a giant like samurai sword that I could just pull and just e-brake. Yeah, obviously I need a ton of drift spares. LSD. Yeah, this thing's an open diff, that's the only thing. So that's one of the first things. Coils, LSD, obviously. And then, light screen, there we go. And then I want to do like, I'm a big fan of like aesthetic mods. So I'm going to make this interior pretty because obviously it's going to take me a while before I paint it, but you don't see the outside of the car when you're driving it, you see the inside. So obviously, and it's cheaper to like mod the interior than it is to paint the entire car and wrap it and body kits and all that. The other stuff on the road right now. It's a battery. Ooh. 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 But yeah, we out here, we chillin', living the dream. I have 2 rear-wheel drive fun Japanese cars. Honestly, if like you told me that I was getting an S14 like years ago, I probably wouldn't have believed you. I was so set on an 8.6, and I mean the FRS is an 8.6, so I mean I essentially got it, but it's a new version of the A86 Corolla. But as far as something to drift, like this is the perfect platform because like parts are easy to get, like there's so many of them, there's such a following. Like if I was to break something on an A86 Corolla, like I'd have to like get parts from Japan and like try and like work something out, because a GCS Corolla like parts are a pain in the butt to find. So I'm excited though, for sure. Just chilling, living the dream. Once this kid gets his SC done, we're gonna be hitting them streets, mobbing. So yeah, we out here, we chilling, living the dream. Peace.